Hey everyone, Ghost Nick here, and today I'm going to do a review on Doritos Late Night Sizzlin Cheeseburger. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. It's limited time only, by the way. It says on the corner. Limited time only. Yeah, it's just like the loaded nacho kind. The same neon kind of feel. Probably like a sort of snack. Yep, there's the one I already review. If you haven't seen that video, I reckon you should go check that one out. The loaded nacho. Fully loaded. Next time I probably will review the jalapeno kind. So here are the calories. It's 250. Not 15, 50. Over here is your ingredients. Hope you could see it. I don't know if it's just me or maybe you could read it. Maybe I need glasses. Nah. Taste the night. The inside. It smells like vinegar. Actual get better chip. I think I got one. Yep, here's the chip itself. You see it? Let me take a bite if it's any good. It smells like it were vinegar or maybe it smells like a hamburger or a cheeseburger. Let me taste it. That tastes a little like it were Burger King's Whoppers, I have to say. Yeah. It's okay. It tastes like it does taste like a Whopper from Burger King. I mean, it smells like vinegar, but when you taste it, it tastes like it were a Whopper. What's the ingredients they add? I don't taste it. The paprika bit. It's not that spicy at all. So what score I would give? It's a 3 stars out of 5. That's what I would give to this. So that's pretty much what I have to say. Also, please subscribe for more videos. It's a 3 stars I have to give. It's like a Whopper. But yeah. So anyway, this is Ghost Neck signing off. Goodbye.